Good morning everyone, I am Engine Cadet Charles Dominique M.Albos. So today we are gonna talk about four laws of thermodynamics. So what is four laws of thermodynamics? In the study of thermodynamics, four primary laws govern the behavior energy in heat with physical system. So let's move on to the first law of thermodynamics. The first law of thermodynamics is also known as the law of energy conversion. Is one of the fundamental principles governing all physical processes, including those in marine engineering, engines, and heat system. So, in definition, the first law of thermodynamics, energy cannot be created or destroyed. It can only be transformed from one form to another. So next is the second law of thermodynamics. The second law of thermodynamics states that energy naturally flows from high temperature to low temperature, and in any process, entropy or disorder will increase over time. This means that no energy process is 100% efficient, and same energy is always wasted usually as heat. In marine engineering, this law explains why diesel engines, steam turbines, and refrigeration system can never operate perfectly. So next, we're gonna move on to the third law of thermodynamics. This law states that as the temperature of a substance approaches absolute zero, its entropy or disorder becomes zero. In other words, at extremely low temperature, the particle stops moving and the system becomes perfectly ordered. In marine engineering, this law is very important in LNG ships where liquefied natural gas is stored at very low temperature, around minus 162 degrees Celsius. Although we don't reach absolute zero, we get very close, and we use this law to design safe and insulated tanks to keep the fuel cold. Understanding this law helps marine engineering store fuel safety and efficient in cold conditions. So last is the zeroth law of thermodynamics. This law is very important because it allows us to measure the temperature. So in marine engineering, we apply this law when we measure the temperature of engines, boilers, or cooling systems. It helps us to make sure that machines are working safely and properly. So that's the four laws of thermodynamics. So once again, I am Engine Cadet Charles Dominique M.Albos. I hope you like and share my